Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 1830 PCS Lawn Robot Blade Stainless Steel Lawn Mover Replacement Blade for Worx Landroid Robotic Lawnmower. Whether you're a seasoned lawn care enthusiast or just looking to step up your mowing game, this replacement blade set is a game changer. Featuring a titanium coating and made of high-quality stainless steel, these blades are built to last. Say goodbye to the days of worrying about rust and corrosion, as these blades and screws are weather-resistant, providing you with long-lasting performance. Not only that, but these replacement blades are designed to deliver a perfectly smooth cutting pattern, giving your lawn that professionally manicured look. And when it comes to safety, these blades are designed to withstand obstacles like stones without breaking, giving you peace of mind as your robotic mower navigates your yard. If you're the proud owner of a Worx robotic lawnmower, then this replacement blade set is a must-have. It's the perfect accessory to keep your mower performing at its best and maintaining that pristine lawn you've worked so hard to achieve. So, if you're ready to take your lawn care to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the 1830 PCS Lawn Robot Blade Stainless Steel Lawn Mover Replacement Blade for Worx Landroid Robotic Lawnmower. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.